Come to Mixed Bharat Builder 2025.
My name is K. Munitsa. Actually, I'm studying 7th class.
My name is T. Dithilash. I am studying 9th class. We are from JPHS Boys, Tanapalli Mandalam, Chittoor district, Andhra Pradesh. My project name is Rainwater Harvesting. Rainwater harvesting project collects and stores rainwater for various uses like irrigation, drinking, or groundwater replacement.
These projects typically involve collecting water from a catchment area like a rooftop, channeling it through gutters to a filtration system, and then storing it in a tank or recharging it into the ground. Projects can be implemented at a domestic community or industrial scale to conserve water, reduce reliance on traditional sources, and mitigate water scarcity. Thank you.